Dear students, in this video I am going to begin with 5th chapter in economics. Name of chapter is poverty. Let's have a look at meaning of poverty, a situation where a major portion of population cannot even satisfy their minimum requirement are said to be poor. That means here first of all, what do we mean by poor has been defined. So it is a situation where a major portion out of the total population is unable to satisfy even their minimum requirements. That means they are not even able to satisfy their minimum basic needs, and such class of persons are said to be poor. If a larger population is living below the minimum required standard of living, there exists widespread poverty. So that means when a large size of population which is living below this minimum standard, that means which are not even able to satisfy their minimum basic needs, then we may say that there is poverty. Now poverty being a relative concept, and therefore its meaning changes according to change in time, place as well as society, and hence we may find that many nations of the world, they interpret poverty in their own way. Now talking about poverty, so mainly poverty is divided into two parts. First one is traditional meaning of poverty, which is also known as income poverty, and second one is modern meaning of poverty, which is also known to be non-income poverty. Let's discuss about traditional meaning of poverty or income poverty. So according to income definition of poverty, a certain normative minimum level of per capita consumption expenditure required to ascertain minimum basic needs and services is called poverty line. That means first of all, a minimum level of per person's consumption expenditure, that means how much a person should consume or how much a person should spend behind consumption of goods and services, so that a person may satisfy their minimum basic needs of goods as well as services, and this itself is said to be poverty line. So it is a standard regarding the minimum consumption expenditure per person so as to satisfy his minimum basic needs. People who have less than required income or spend less than required minimum expenditure are said to be poor. So that means those persons who are not having this much income or who are spending less than this required minimum expenditure so as to satisfy their minimum basic needs, those are said to be poor. Thus poverty is a state of scarcity. So according to this interpretation, we may say that poverty is a state of scarcity. It is a state where there is a shortage of income or there is a scarcity of minimum consumption expenditure. The limitation of this method is that it only shows the situation of non-availability of food or starvation. So this is one of the major limitation of this method, that it only talks about how starvation or how non-availability of food may be considered as poverty. But actually poverty is not only a situation of starvation. Talking about the modern meaning of poverty, or which is also known to be non-income poverty. So in the concept of minimum required standard of living, apart from food, other necessities such as clothing, housing, education, health, cleanliness, pure drinking water are also included. And this modern concept of poverty is called non-income poverty. So here also, no doubt, there is a minimum required standard of living. But apart from food, that means here, just like in the previous meaning of poverty, we have seen that poverty over there was mainly related to food, or it was mainly related to a situation of starvation, a situation of scarcity. So here food is no doubt included, but other than food, also some other necessities which have been mentioned over here, those are also included in this modern meaning of poverty. So according to modern economists, to get a broader meaning of poverty, income should not be the sole measuring rod of deprivation, but other important elements of human development such as knowledge, long and healthy life, good standard of living, individual freedom, availability of opportunities, and a life with choices and self respect should also be considered. So, here in this modern meaning of poverty, or also known to be non income poverty, so here the economists believe that in order to get a broad picture or broad meaning of poverty, only lack of income should not be considered, but also certain other elements which have been discussed over here, which are important for development of human beings, they should also be considered, along with definitely the income, because many of these also depends upon income. So along with income, these other elements which are important for human development should also be considered. Thank you, students.